Yes, be ready for the dictation. Start. Mr. Deputy Chairman, Sir, our railway system is the largest in Asia and the fourth biggest perhaps in the whole world, employing about 20 lakhs of people strong. It was rather refreshing to note that for the first time in about 7 years period a balanced budget has been presented. Sir, this is very encouraging, especially when this has been done without increasing the passenger fares. However, it is a matter of some concern that about 70% of the revenues of the railways is spent on establishment expenditure alone, and this aspect has to be looked into very carefully. Sir, it has been stated by the railway minister that the railway administration is now seeing the end of the tunnel. I hope that their seeing the end of the tunnel is not any illusion. They have also said that they are working on all the cylinders. But apparently, talking in technical terms, it appears that the cylinders still lack the compression. Otherwise, the performance should have been much better. Sir, there is another important thing to which I would like to invite the attention of the Honorable Railway Minister, and that is the Railway Board. It is a very familiar and popular topic of criticism in both the Houses of Parliament. Well, sir, it is high time that the Minister and the government had a second look at it and took a view on whether the railway board has served its utility or still it is required to serve the railways and the country. Sir, this utility has to be established and only then the railway board is to be allowed to continue. Otherwise, we will have to agree that it is only a white elephant. Sir, let us hope that these encouraging financial results will continue to be encouraging till the end of the year, although the railway financial authorities have not taken into consideration that impact of the additional dearness allowance which may have to be paid to the railway employees during the year, and if this is done, I am sure that the surplus that this budget has attempted to bring about will be upset and the whole working will be imbalanced and we will end up with a deficit budget at the end of the year. However, I am not very much despondent about this matter because the railways have been rather conservative. Over.